The SharkBite Max male adapter UR134 makes copper, PEX, and other compatible pipe to male thread transitions extremely straightforward, since it pushes on without solder, glue, or special tools. Its dezincification-resistant brass body and reinforced stainless steel collar give the fitting impressive strength and long-term reliability, even in demanding plumbing locations. Installation requires noticeably less effort than older push fittings, which is a real benefit when you are working overhead in cramped spaces or on longer runs. Because the fitting can be rotated after it is seated, it is much easier to line up with female threaded fixtures in tight or awkward spots. The design maintains full flow without a separate tube liner, so both PEX and rigid pipe connections stay efficient and uncluttered. With temperature and pressure ratings suitable for typical residential hot and cold water lines, and the option for removal with dedicated tools, this adapter offers a flexible, serviceable solution for both exposed and concealed plumbing work.